Actually, I've diabetes since a year ago, diagnosed by the doctor. And since I'm using Gluco for the past few months, yes, I can keep track of my glucose level on daily basis. It also have keep track of what my daily food intake. You can share with the dietitian, and the dietitian give us some feedback of what we have taken on daily basis. That is most helpful to me because it advised me on what's supposed to eat and what's supposed to reduce and watch out on my diet. From there, I can have a more healthy food intakes, 2 foods a day, something like that. I feel more confident now. I can manage my blood sugar level on a daily basis with the help of the glucometer, and I can keep track of what I have on the glucometer. I feel more confident when go for medical checkup, and the doctor feel good when he see all the reports have been there, and at least I can prove it to him that I can maintain my good blood sugar level.